Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the Java Springs in Object-Oriented Programming Lab. Let's see the second question. Design a UGA program using Java Spring to create a frame containing three buttons: S, No, Close. When button S or No is printed, pressed, the message button S, No is pressed gets display in label control. On presenting close button, frame window gets closed. S, No, close. Button S is pressed. And let's see the program. And import java.awt, import java.event, import java x.swing, public class experiment 11b extends jframe, j button S, No, close, j label lbl, experiment 11 S is equals to new j button S, No is equals to new j button No, close is equals to new j button close, lbl is equals to new j label, set layout, new grid layout 4,1, set size 400, 200, add S, add No, add close, add lbl, set visible true, set default closure option, jframe.exit No, close, button handler between bh is equals to new button handler, s dot add action listener bh, s dot add action listener bh, add no dot add action listener bh, close dot add action listener bh, class button handler implements action listener, public voids action performer, action event a if a dot get source is equals to s, label dot set text button s is pressed. If a get source is equals to no, label dot lbl set text button no is pressed. If a dot get source is equals to close system dot exit, and public static void main string else new experiment level b, and let's run the program. S button S, No, close, button S is pressed, button S is pressed. And let's see the second one. Create any real-time object or sceneries using graphics with strings. Let's see the program. Import java.awt.color, import java.awt.graphics, import java x.swing, public class 11a, public static void main string aux if frame is equals to new frame my window, frame dot set size 600, 400, frame dot set visible true, frame dot set default close operation, j frame dot exit on close, frame dot add new my painting, class my painting extends j panel, public void paint component graphics g dot set color dot black g dot dark bracket red 100 300 300, g dot set color red, g dot fill red 100 300 100, g dot set color blue, g dot fill oval 200 200 100 100, g dot set color dot green, g dot fill rect 100 300 300 100. And let's run the program. And let's run the program. And let's run the program. uh, 300 color red and blue green. Thank you guys by watching my video.